Waiting be the problem of people where they snore. Omo, you don't get any soundtrack where person never hear for snoring.
Tell us.
The snoring, no be even saying a better snoring. You go come dey hear. I don't know if it is okwa. I don't know. Like most times, if they listen to all this soundtrack, are they try make I interpret them. The one where they even pay me pass be say it gets people will be say they are snoring, they sound like I pass my neighbor generator. You go call here.
Tell us.
As in, I don't understand. Wait, if I tell you how I take detest snoring, if I tell you how I take hate snoring, you go call here another sound like saying a siren, like what's in the soul? What's in a problem? People where they snore, they have problem on, then I'll go on. The most annoying part of it is that the one where they sound like said they snore, the thing they be like say they chop for drink, I be they chop finish. The time can't reach where they say they supposed pay people where they chop their food, they go come wake up. Child. Here. Wow. As in,
God have mercy upon us.
Wait.
This man.
Waiting be on a problem. I beg if you be snorer when they hear my voice, under the sound of my voice, I want me help me right back for comment section. But me hear all you people's problem. Only hear problem.
I got the advice from a madman.
When I just they dish out. The other day, I see couple. They do snoring competition. The papa there one side they snore. The wife they the other side they reply.
Here is God. Oh.
The children they reply. As in. Now later I can't try make I interpret them. Be the papa, the wife, and the pikin own. The wife, the papa own be say if they think of house rent, when go pay.
Jesus!
The wife own they think of how they go take survive for house via food.
Photo.
The children own be say they tell their papa and their mama say they don't chase they come out for school or say they need their school fees. You know, say if person they snow, you go no, you go if you get spiritual eye, you live behind an email more, you go fit like explainer. Me now will be say are they more intellectual about snorers?
May God not allow them to
if
kill
you
you.
snore, I know the sound of a voice. If you be snorer, if you dey close to me, snore. I know what your problem be. The other one they snore, a they vibrate. I don't know whether an earthquake has been a thunder. Wait.
May God not allow them to kill you.
I beg, help me tag any snorer where you know for comment section. May they can't tell us what be their problem.
Continue.
What is the color of your people's problem?